Welcome to Masala, and today we're going to be showing you how to make chili beef curry using our meat masala.
So I'm going to start with our meat masala and add the spice to your taste. I'm going to add some salt. I'm going to use mustard oil, but you can use any kind of cooking oil is fine. I'm going to add some white onions. Add some ginger and garlic paste. And I'm going to add some plain yogurt. I'm going to mix everything together and cook this in medium heat for 45 minutes. Then I'm going to add the green chili. So I just added the green chili to my beef curry. I'm going to cook it for another 20 minutes. So for this curry, I'm using the cayenne green chili peppers, which is pretty hot. So I would use, if you don't want the heat, you can use different types of peppers. You'll still get the flavor, just not the heat. And if you don't want the curry to be spicy, you can just not add the peppers and you can just serve as is.
Please subscribe to Jar Masala for more recipes using our masalas. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter at Jar Masala.